In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a question from a live survey. If you're updating a survey that's already collecting responses, it's important to remove questions carefully so you don't confuse participants or disrupt your data. Here's how to do it safely and cleanly. Start by opening your survey dashboard and selecting the survey you want to update. Choose Edit Survey to enter the editing workspace where changes are made. This puts you in the mode that allows structural edits without affecting responses that have already been submitted. Next, navigate to the Design Survey section. This is where the questions and layout live, and it's the right place to make content changes. If you see multiple tabs like Summary, Collect, or Results, make sure you're in Design so you can interact directly with the questions themselves. Find the question you want to remove. Move your cursor over that question to reveal its controls. Most builders show a small toolbar when you hover, and the delete icon typically looks like a trash can. Select that delete icon. On touch devices, tapping the question often reveals the same control. Take a moment to confirm you've targeted the correct question, especially if your survey has similar items or uses skip logic. A confirmation dialog will appear to prevent accidental removal. Read the message so you understand the impact. Deleting a question removes it from the live survey for all future respondents. Previous responses to that question will remain in your historical data in many platforms, but they will no longer be collected going forward. When you're confident, confirm the deletion in the dialog box. After deleting, scan the surrounding questions to ensure the flow still makes sense. If you used branching, piping, or required settings that reference the deleted question, update those links so respondents don't hit dead ends. It's also a good idea to preview the survey in live mode to experience it the way your participants will. Most platforms save this change automatically, but watch for any Save or Publish button and apply it if required. For clarity within your team, consider noting the change in your survey description or changelog, and if stakeholders rely on specific question numbers, let them know numbering may have shifted. That's it. You've removed an unwanted question from a live survey while keeping the respondent experience smooth and your data structure intact.